Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to take audio from Instagram Reels. Want to use audios from an Instagram Reel in your own video? In this video I'll show you how to take audios from Instagram Reels and use it in your own content. The first step is to find a reel with the audio you want. And to do that, just open the Instagram app and then scroll through Reels. Let's go to the Reels section. As you can see, this is the reel we're gonna choose. After that, tap on the reel with the audio you want to use. And the second step is to save or use the audio. Now tap the audio name at the bottom of the screen. As you can see under the page name that's posted the video, we're gonna see original audio right here. Click on it. You'll see all reels using this sound. Tap use audio to create a reel with it immediately, or tap save audio by clicking on this option next to the here with to save it for later. Now for the third step is to access the saved audio, and to do that just go to your profile and tap the three line menu and then click on saved, and after that open the audio section to find your saved sounds. As for the fourth and final step is to open Instagram Reels editor and select the saved audio and record or upload a video. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to take audio from Instagram Reels. You can use this trick to create engaging content with trending sounds. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.